All right, so got a couple more tasks. The We're running into a couple problems, and um, the president of the company feels that these are important, and I agree with him. One of them is the stock status. For some reason, is not allowing its products that are out of stock are not allowed into the cart. We know that, but normally I would be able to do some sort of mass update. I was wondering if you guys could create a script or something that would allow that. Basically, it would change every single stock status to in stock. I'm not sure what's happening and why it's doing what it's doing, because in the advanced inventory we'll see that the out of stock threshold is set to negative 500. I'm assuming that works based on that tutorial. Maybe it doesn't. When it hits zero, it automatically goes to out of stock. Um, but either way, we've got to figure out a way to make sure that these are all in stock, because there's customers who want to be able to back order stuff and they can't. So there's that. So maybe for now we just figure out a way to just get all of them in stock. We don't want to change quantities or anything like that. That would be one thing. And maybe we just have a script or something that I can run that can do that for now. I believe if we get them all in stock, that they'll stay in stock at this point because of the changes we did with the 500 quantity, negative quantity. The other issue that I'm seeing is sometimes and periodically when I run a reindex on my own, because I know I made some updates and I need to see something change, we're seeing the price catalog price rule index, or sorry, the product price index taking 17 minutes, sometimes even up to 30 minutes. I'm not sure why it's doing that. It seems like it's probably like a data lock or something going on with a specific product of some sort, maybe in a cart, or I'm not sure. That just seems very strange that it would take that long. Um, there's that, and then there's another item too that I haven't been able to replicate. What it is I've seen it a while ago, but I haven't seen it in the last couple of weeks or in the last couple of days. When you check out, customers are saying that the PO field is like sticking, like you can't even go over top of it. And what I think it might be is it might be when one of these other options come up, the back order or the checkbox, some sort of JavaScript error. Because like when I come in here, it'll work now, of course, but when you highlight this, sometimes it doesn't work. Something's hanging up on it. I haven't been able to figure out why that is and when it happens. But with that same issue, we're finding that it's allowing some customers to check out without entering a PO. They may get 40 orders a day. One a day gets through without a purchase order. So I'm not sure why that's doing that, but it's definitely something that needs to be looked at. Two other items. Sort order on the catalog needs to be shown by quantity in stock. And then the last one is the gallery function is not working. So, for example, if we go back out to the existing site, if I can find the old one, what we'll find on the old site is all of the products are in order of quantity on hand. So you see 19 here, 19 gradually goes down as we go down. That's the way it needs to be on the new site. I believe there is a catalog refresh or category refresh module somewhere in there by one of the guys that did the stuff. That still is using the position, so it must be overriding that in the category. Doesn't need to be in the search, just in the individual categories. And then the last item is some products have multiple photos.